Okay guys, this video is all about STEM books, so science, technology, math, that type of thing. So let's go ahead and get it started. The Story of Science. So this is a great one that introduces brilliant brains and eureka moments behind the greatest scientific discoveries in history. So this would be great for your elementary student, mathematical curiosities, radioactivity, what is light, so with really cute little fun illustrations. Love it. The Story of Science. This one's $12.99. So let's do this one for $6, so 50% off. The Story of Inventions. Really, really cool book. Okay, so we have, lighting, whoever invented light, and doing the dishes, and how that was, somebody figured that out, right? Let's see, land transportation. Yeah, so really great, like giving them a little history lesson on how a car was invented, it's really important. So this one's $10.99, so we'll do this one for $5. This is more of a soft cover. The Illustrated Elementary Science Dictionary. This is a really, really great one, great for homeschooling, great for a little addition to their school learning at school. So this one is $12.99, and I would say $6 for this one. So it has clear definitions of over 700 key terms and concepts, hundreds of useful examples and illustration, and there's definitely links to websites and all of that. So there's internet links. Let's see, I'm probably almost, I don't know about every page, but yeah, but it really talks about everything. It's really fun and colorful and bright. So this is Illustrated Elementary Science Dictionary, so $6. Then if you have a little one interested in astronomy, this is a great nonfiction. I'd say first, second grade, maybe even older. Talks about astronomy and everything up in space. There's definitely internet links as well. So as you can see down at the bottom, they can go onto that link and study even more about, for instance, the outer planets, Uranus, Pluto, Neptune, and it's a nice hardback book too. It's almost like a library, like a school book, textbook. This is $8.99. We'll do this one for $5. Okay, Illustrated Elementary Math Dictionary, kind of the same as the Science Dictionary. It basically is. It's part of the set, the series. So if you want to get, if your kid's at a STEM school, these would be really, really great for your little one. So this is the Math Dictionary. So kind of bright and colorful. Nice introduction to math. And this one is $12.99, so $6 for this one as well. Okay, Usborne's Understanding Science, and this is Electricity and Magnetism. So once again, if your child is doing a school project, this would be a great helper for that. Love, love, love. So it's just a nice, paperback. This is $7.99. We'll do this one for $4. Okay, love this one. This is The Human Body, the reference book. So it's packed with illustrations showing organs, bones, x-rays, and scans to help you build up a complete picture of the human body and how it works. There's the brain. So it's definitely a lot of information, but not too much. I think your elementary school student could still handle this for sure. Showing the broken bone there. There should be internet links, but I'm not sure. Ocular. So great illustrations showing everything. Facts and records. This is a nice hardback, $9.99. We'll do this one for $6. Okay, this is not a math book. Is really, really popular with like 3rd, 4th graders, even older. And this is for kids that don't like math and it kind of scares them. Well, this makes math really fun and learning math a little bit more easier for them to handle the concepts. So lots of activities, very geometry based. I was never a good math student, but I liked geometry because it was easier for me to see the shapes and the patterns. So this is a really, really popular one. This is $14.99. We'll do this one for $8. We also have This Is Not Another Math book, so even more fun little kind of brain teasers and games for them to really change their mind and think math is fun, because that's important. And then This Is Not a Science book. We also have one. So I have a ton of these, you guys. So hit me up if you want one of these. These will be only $8. I think I said $8. Yeah. Okay. We have a few more, and then I'm going to move on to my chapter book. So What's Under the Sea is just a great little pocket book about what you can find under the sea. Great for elementary age. These are $5, so I'll do these for $3. And then What Makes You Ill is also a smaller book. They can stuff this in their backpack or suitcase for their trips. But these are great for if your kids are into nonfiction. This is really, really great. And it just shows you why you get sick, you know, with germs and how we can prevent ourselves from getting sick, all that good stuff, washing hands. So these are, what did I say, $3 for these? Okay, next we have Science with Plants. So great if you're going to be doing any sort of science projects at home in the summer. If you homeschool, these are awesome little additions to help with that. Yeah, so love this. Super, super helpful. So in this series, there's a few others. So I have Science with Plants, Science with Air, and I think that's the last one. Yeah, so these are only $5.99, so $3 for these a piece. Okay, next we have Science Activities Volume 2. So this is a nice hardback book, $13.99 for this one, and it's just really, really notes for parents and teachers. Once again, a great homeschooling book. Experimenting in the kitchen, making bubbles. Yeah, love this. So science activities for them to do. And this one is hardback. It's $13.99, so I would say $6 for this one. Okay, the Usborne Living World Encyclopedia. So we're moving on to kind of animals, insects. This is a great one if you have a kiddo that's into animals and insects, for sure. Love it, love it. Rivers and lakes, it goes into Arctic. Freshwater plants and animals. A great homework helper. This one is paperback. It's $14.99, so $7 for this one. Okay, last but not least, and then we'll move on to chapter books. This is Usborne's World of Animals. So once again, if you have an animal lover, this would be a great one. There's also internet links almost on every page. So a lot of our nonfiction will have the internet links. Animals in Europe, desert lands. Love the illustrations, really bright and colorful. This one's $16.99, so we'll do this one for $9. All right, coming up next, chapter books. And if you like anything here, go ahead and comment the price and the name of the book. And then once again, $75 will get you free shipping, so keep that in mind. All right, see you in a bit for the last video.